learning about nature through the traditions. We mustn't forget the gratitude. We mustn't forget the feeling of gratitude for nature. While Bruma said these words, I can't forget her because her words impressed me, so today I will talk about her and my experience. The day when I met her for the first time was 5 years ago. She had worked at Rusakukan in Nagano and taught many people how to make tsuruzaiku. Tsuruzaiku is Japanese tradition which we make basket, wreaths, and so on. This is one of tsuruzaiku. This is made of some pines and pine cones. I visited her in order to make this tsuruzaiku because I wanted to have something to remember this memorable experience. She was so kind enough to teach me a lot of important things. At first, she and I went looking for some pines which we used to make tsuruzaiku. We walked the path that led to the mountain. It was steep path, but there were many plants on that way to the mountain. For example, many ivies, wild potatoes, and edible wild plants, and so on. There were also small rivers, and the water was so clear. She told me that the old vines fell on the ground and it warmed the ground. So the new edible wild plants can cannot grow how cold it is, no matter how cold it is. And the plants clean the water and the water grow many ivies. She said it is circle of life. I felt nature's power at that time. While we make baskets, she made me some dishes. It was traditional wild plant dishes that was edible. It was so delicious, but she told me one sad story. According to her story, the nature is being destroyed rapidly. What's worse, many visitors throw the garbage away on the mountain. So the water becomes dirty and many plants die. So as a result, it is difficult to keep our traditions. I noticed nature gives us many things. If we lose it, we can make this tsuruzaiku and some traditional dishes. That means we will lose one of many Japanese traditions. She said that is not too much to say, that the nature gives us our lives. So we mustn't forget the feeling of gratitude for nature. How do you feel? Do you understand the importance of nature? I think nature is the most important thing in the world. So we should do everything we can do for nature in order to save our natures and our traditions. That's all. Thank you for listening.